Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code Destination. So as we are continuing this challenge one code one day, so every day we are taking the topic and discussing concept, and for that concept we are writing the code, how we can implement that concept in the code. So for today we are taking the topic is string. We will basically our topic is array, but in the array we will take a string, like basically array of strings. So that type of question we will take and discuss how we can solve. So for that I took this question from LeetCode, problem number 14, longest common prefix. So it is a easy level problem, but with this problem we will understand various things. So let me start reading the question. So we have to write the function which will find the longest common prefix. This is a very simple question, and if there are no common prefix, so in that case we have to return the empty string simply. And here it is given the array of strings, and so we have to find the common longest common prefix string. So here in this example we can understand like in all the strings the longest common string is FL, because in every string we can see this FL is present. And in the second example we can see no like first character is already different, like here first character is D, second one is R, and third one is C. So all are different. So if the any character is different, so there are no longest common prefix. So yeah, we can understand this problem. Now we can think how we can write this solution in the brute force manner. So after reading the question we can think like that, like we will compare string by string. Like first we will compare this two string. So after that whatever common string we got, that common string we will compare against this third string. So in this way we at the last we will find the common prefix string which is common in all the given array of strings. So this is the brute force solution. So we can write this simple code in very simple manner. So maybe I can write here, suppose I will write one method uh, which will return common data, get common str. So here I will pass string s1 and second one string s2, and it will return all the common strings. So first I will become my result string which is empty, and I will iterate one by one. Int is equal to 0, I less than. So basically I will take minimum size or between two string y. Let me write the code, then I will explain. Length, okay, and I plus plus. So if both the character is same in both the string, so dot char@, so we will get the character and we will compare equal to so dot char@. If it is same, so in the result I will add that character, simply s1 dot char@I. Okay, and in this way at the last we will return this result common. So why we are taking here minimum, let me minimize this. Yeah, so suppose we are comparing both string, one is ABC and another is ABCD. So basically we have to find the common prefix string. So in both string, whatever string is the smallest size, that much string like we can get only, because suppose this is the size 3 and this is size 5. So at most longest common prefix we can get of size 3, because if the character is not available, like here no character is available, so we can't compare, right? So the minimum size whatever we have, we can get that much strings. That's why I iterate only the like whatever the minimum size of that string, like whatever the string is minimum, till that I iterate, and I found the common. So this method will give the common string among both the strings. So at the last what we'll do, our logic like for each string from strings, array of strings, we will get okay. So yeah, so suppose I run that string till 1 length minus 1. So first I will compare both the string and whatever result I have. Suppose I am getting any s1 result. Okay, so first I will compare. So I will copy this method here, get common string. So I will get a common string. So what I have to do, strs. So I will find the common between ith index and I plus 1th index. Okay, so yeah, so whatever things I will got here, I will store in I plus 1th string. Okay, so in this way whatever common between first and second string I can get, and I can store in the second position. So in this way all the common string will store, and I can return the common like strs at the last position. I can return that one. Let me run it first. Yeah, so it is accepted. Let me submit it and see. Yeah, so it is giving here some error. Maybe we can see why. So like it will compare both CIR and CAR. So the common later it will got only C. Okay. Okay, and we have to also take care about this case, like at that point if like I got any like in this case what is happening, actually C and C is compared, so C is common, so it is giving the C here, and we are storing C at this position. So like zeroth and zeroth index and okay, one index later we will compare, then we will store in the one-th, like one-th index. So it is stored at this position C, and after that that length is gone. Okay. Oh, okay, so if any character is different, so I have to break at that point actually in the common prefix, because suppose it is comparing what it was doing before. It is comparing C and C, so C is common. I and A is different, but R are same, so that's why it is creating C and R. So it is finding longest common string among both of the strings, but we have to find longest common prefix. So if any character differ, so I have to break that. So we don't need to further find, because prefix string means string starting from 0 index and till like whenever it differ. So let me run it again. I think it should now work. Yeah, let me submit it. Yeah, so it's submitted. It's taking 13 millisecond and 5.73 out of user bits. So basically it is brute force approach, that's why it is taking too much time. So if I am talking about the time complexity, so this loop is running till the string length. So suppose string length in n, so big total n operation it is doing, and for every case, like for every length we are comparing both the strings. So it is also, and length size is also like string length is equal to array length equal to the string length. So one, I think it will compare both the strings, so at most it will take an iteration, so it is also taking an iteration. So basically n into n, so total big O of n square solution it is, and we are not using any extra space here. So basically it is constant space one space complexity. So let me discuss about the optimal solution for this question, because we can't rely on the brute force solution. So let me discuss the logic. I remove this. So I hope you clear with the brute force approach. But basically we are comparing one by one string, and whatever thing common we store that here. Then again with the common string we compare with the newest string, and in this way we can find common longest common prefix string among all the array of strings. So let me discuss the concept how we can optimize this. So for that I took the example this one. So what is happening actually here, like in our case we are comparing like string by string. So what is happening, like for common string, it is common for, like suppose some string, some part of it substring is common, so it is common for all, right? So we are not thinking that like we are not thinking for common strings. So whenever it is differ, like in at this index it is differ. So here what we can think only for differ case. Like suppose I'm thinking about this 0 1 2 third index, right? So we can see here, like if you compare string by string, like we have to first compare d and d, so it is common, so we can again compare this d, it is also common, so again we compare z. So at this index, if it is find any character difference, so at that index we can say that before that whatever things we find common, that will be the longest common prefix. Because after that, suppose I found d here and d here common, but it is not a longest common, because whenever any character differ from previous character, at that instance we can see, like we can see and we can definitely make sure that before that whatever character we get longest common character, like whatever prefix common character we can get, that is the longest common prefix string, right? So basically that logic we are going to use. So how this will help, let me discuss. So suppose I have this array of string, okay? So if we have any array, so we can think at like sorting logic, right? Because on the array we can apply sorting easily. So suppose I apply sorting, so what happen, it will sort the lexicographically. What is lexicographically? Like it will sort the string character wise. Like first it will compare a, so like at the 0 index all the a is common, so it will not sort anything. So till this index, like whatever thing common, because ABA is common for all. So for ABA, if it will consider ABA substring, so it will not sort this is array. But whenever it is differ, like in this case, whenever it is differ at the 0 1 2 3 third index, so it will compare that third index character in every string value. So suppose this is the total string array, so it will compare this character in every cases. So what happen if you sort this? So after sorting, what benefit we can get, let me explain. Suppose in the string we have some character, suppose um, a b, so I'm taking the only difference. So let me explain the concept why sorting help here, okay? So suppose we have some differ character like a b, suppose here c, okay, z, a, a, a. So suppose I sort this. So after sorting, what happened, all the smallest character will come starting. Suppose all the a will come here, and after that all the b's will come here. Then after that all the c's is coming here, and after that all the z is coming here. So what happened after sorting, the first character will come here, which is like smallest character, smallest I mean, which is that ASCII value is very smallest, like a is smallest than z, so that's why smallest character is here. And after that whatever the character is bigger come here, then after that whatever bigger character than previous character will come here, and at the last we will get the max biggest character. So here we get smallest character, and here we guessed biggest character. So after sort, like if you sort this array of string, so we'll get this type of scenario, like whatever character is difference, according to that it will sort and it will arrange that. Like in our case all the d will come together, correct? And after that this string will come at the last, because this z is bigger than all the characters, so it will come here, correct? So what is happening here with this sort, what benefit we can get, that if you compare this first with the last one, and if it is differ, then we can make sure that anything in between, if it is same or differ, no matter. So please be focused on my sentence. If my smallest character is differ from the biggest character, then whatever things we can match, like in this case suppose a is different than z, and we are looking here that a, like some of the part of sub strings is matching with this a, but it is not our matter, because if any character is different, then we can surely say that this position character we can't take in our longest common prefix. So this same logic we will like we got the logic, and we can implement in our code as well, because when the smallest any smallest differ character is not equal to the any biggest differ character, so whatever things is equal to smallest or biggest, it doesn't matter, because we can't take that character at all. Okay, so let me apply this logic same in a code. So what I have to do, first we have to sort lexicographically. So in Java we can use arrays.sort to sort this string array of strings lexicographically. Okay, so after sort, what benefit we can get? We can get that if you compare only the first and last string, because it will sort them according to lexicographically order. So all the common string will come like as it is, but whenever it is differ, that will sort, and in this way the smallest differ character will come first and the largest differ character will come last, so we can compare only the first string with the last string. Okay, so let me take two string here. So I will take first string. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so I will take first string here, so it is at the 0 index, and after that I will take last string, so ls. So last string will be here. Okay, so we will find between these two string whatever thing is common, that is our longest common substring, prefix string, sorry. So for storing the result, I will use StringBuilder. Here we can see how we can use StringBuilder and what it benefit, because in Java string is not a mutable, but for mutability we can use StringBuilder, because StringBuilder is mutable. There are also other benefit you can learn, but for now I can use directly here so that you can understand how we can use StringBuilder as well. So okay, so for every index I will make loop here. Same concept I follow, math.min, because whatever string is minimum between first string and last string, it will run that till that index. Okay, so if my character is same, so first string dot char at of that position I equal to last string dot char at I, if it is equal, so in that case I have to add that character in our StringBuilder. So sorry, StringBuilder dot append I have to do, and first string dot char at I, so it will append that character in the StringBuilder, and whenever it is differ at any instance I have to break my loop. Okay, and at the last we have to return the string, so I have to convert that StringBuilder into the string. Okay, I guess it is required, so maybe run it and see what is happening. Okay, yeah, so it is giving some error. Okay, we have to actually take the length, so I will took length, the smallest length among them. Okay, let me run it again. I think it should work now. Yeah, so it is accepted. Let me submit it. Yeah, so it is taking 1 millisecond, and previous was taking I think approx 50 millisecond if you got, and it was beating 81.19% of Java, so it is more optimum solution. So you can like understood I think logic, like why we sort this I explain in a proper manner with the string, because common string will same in all the string, but whatever differ thing we are focusing on that, and because we are following the common prefix, so whatever thing is different I will check that one. And with the sort, what benefit we can get, the smallest character we get at the starting and the largest character get at the last index. So if the smallest is not equal to the largest one, so obvious in between whatever character is present, which is not like that cannot be equal. So yeah, this same concept, for that same concept we implement the code. I hope you understood. So yeah, so this is the solution. Maybe if you like this explanation and concept behind this, whatever we explain in tuition, so please like this video and subscribe our channel, so that in future if I uploaded any further videos, you can get that video, and you can understand the logic, and you can start your coding journey. Yeah, thank you for watching my video.